Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Sora EA for MT5. It's an expert advisor available on the MQL5 Marketplace from developer Kosin Fanmuang. Right away, it is important to note that this is an MT5 expert advisor. The current marketplace price is 249 US dollars, and the version shown here is 2.3, updated on April 19th, 2024. Looking through the product description, the Sora system is built around the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. According to the developer, the EA is designed to allow traders to customize the trading system based on their own preferences and can be used for identifying reversal opportunities or potential entries that follow an existing trend. The developer also states that the EA can work with all currency pairs, although specific recommendations are provided for XAU/USD M on the M1 time frame. In terms of trading environment, the recommended setup includes an XNES broker account, a minimum deposit of 1 million Japanese yen, leverage of 1:500 or higher, and continuous VPS hosting for uninterrupted operation. Now, moving into the settings section, we can see that a large portion of the customization revolves around RSI parameters. Traders can adjust the RSI period, define buy and sell levels, select the number of signal bars to evaluate, and configure additional RSI conditions that check for moves beyond specified RSI levels, followed by retracements. The EA also includes optional trend filters using both H4 and D1 signals. These filters can be enabled or disabled depending on how much higher time frame confirmation a trader wants before allowing new entries. Now, risk management options are also quite extensive. Users can define, lot size, take profit, stop loss, maximum daily orders, and choose whether buy or sell trading is permitted. There are also dedicated trading hour controls that allow the EA to operate within specific time windows or continuously throughout the day. Further down the settings, we have break-even functionality and trailing stop management. These features allow traders to automate position protection once trades move into profit, while still giving flexibility over exactly when those protections become active. One additional feature available here is the optional hedging mode. All right. Now, when the hedging mode is enabled, the EA provides settings for grid size, profit targets, and lot multipliers for subsequent orders. As always, configuration choices in this area can significantly influence overall risk exposure and historical performance. Okay, so now moving into the backtesting section, this is where I focus on understanding how the EA behaved during the historical testing period rather than concentrating solely on the final profit figure. Let us start by looking at what we have displayed here. This shows the input settings, and then this shows the backtested results. Currency pair is JPY. So total net profit was over 2.2 million Japanese yen from an initial deposit of 1 million Japanese yen. And total trades taken were 2,374, out of which 1,616 were profitable. That gave us a 68.07% win rate. All right. And I can see that the balance drawdown maximal here is 24%, relative 34%. Equity drawdown maximal is 56%, same with the relative. All right. But let's head over to our strategy tester right away. Let's see how the EA behaved in 2026. So we're testing the Sora EA on XAUUSDM on the 1 minute time frame, and I'm testing it from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. So that covers about 5.5 months of market data, right? And then for the delays, we're using the random delay and we're using the every tick modeling. So looking at the backtested result, it is not impressive at all. It's not encouraging. The account was blown. From an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was negative 100,453.39. Total trades taken were 148, out of which 92 were profitable, giving us a 62.16% win rate. Now, this begs the question, why should the account be blown despite having a 62.16% win rate? The problem is likely the risk management. Now, if you look at the largest profit, it's 827.36. Largest loss is 48,957.44. You can see the difference. Average profit is just 146.98, but the average loss is 2,035.28. So the difference is much. The average risk to reward ratio is very bad. So it's not surprising to have the account blown. All right. So reviewing the completed historical analysis and the chart activity, it is possible to observe how entries, exits, and position management decisions were handled according to the configured settings. Because the EA offers a large number of adjustable inputs, optimization actually plays a major role in shaping historical testing performance. So I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. The developer specifically advises users to perform their own backtesting to identify suitable parameters before using the system in a live environment. But as always, historical backtest results should never be viewed as guarantees of future performance. Results can vary based on risk settings, lot size, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization choices. Overall, the Sora EA for MT5 offers an RSI-based framework with customizable entry conditions, optional higher time frame trend filters, trade management tools, scheduling controls, and additional hedging mode functionality. Whether it fits your trading approach will ultimately depend on your own testing, optimization process, and risk management preferences. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insight. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.